Hey guys, it's Josh with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to show you guys our brand new 22 SSB. This is a beautiful tritoon with the SPS package. We've got the metallic white smooth panels on this boat. We've got all of the silver anodized aluminum. This boat, like I mentioned, comes with the SPS Performance Package. We've got our built-in nav lights and dock lights. Let's take a look at the back. We can show you some more. Guys, I'm here at the back of the 22 SSB. This has the Luxe package, so as you'll see in a minute, we've got a beautiful interior on this S-Series boat. We've got our extended aft deck, we've got our ski tow bar, 150 horsepower Yamaha motor with the stainless steel Reliance prop. We've got our extended aft deck here, like I mentioned, with our lily pad ladder. This ladder is really great for getting in and out of the boat. It's super easy to retrieve and deploy. It's spring and cable assisted, super wide steps. Let's hop aboard and take a look. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 22 SSB. As you can see here in the interior, we've got the Luxe package. So we have this beautiful diamond inlay in our lumbar area. We've got recessed cup holders throughout. Like all of our Benningtons, we've got our roto-molded seat bases with water channeling gutters, so that way if it rains on you, all your stuff in your storage is not gonna get wet. This is in the Shadow Grey, and we've got some midnight blue accents that make these colors in this interior really pop. We've got a centerline table, and as we move back here, you can see we've got our fiberglass helm. Lots of storage underneath this helm here. Got a little courtesy light here off the side. We've got our medallion gauges here on the dash, makes it super sleek. Garmin chart plotter, GPS right here. We've got our tilt steering wheel. Guys, on all of our Benningtons, we've got our captain's seats and our binnacle at the perfect height. So whenever you're sitting there and you have your arm on the armrest, it's really easy to control your throttle and your gear shift there. We've got a Rockford Fosgate audio. We've got our soft touch buttons for all of our accessories. We've got a nice little locking glove compartment down there for your valuables. As I mentioned, this boat is equipped with Rockford Fosgate audio, so it's got a great sound system. This is the swing back layout with a port bench. So we've got a lot of storage up underneath all of our backrests. There's a trash can in here. And with the swing back, we can move this to face rearward if you want to take advantage of that sunny day and lay out in the sun. If you want to get out of the sun, we've got our manual 10-foot bimini. Gives us lots of shade, expands really large over the boat. Perfect for getting everybody out of the sun if you need to. Guys, if you want to come take a look at this boat or you have any questions, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.